warn of the impending hazard. Tests for the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will postpone until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver with perfect working condition. The gun alert will be for selected launches and warrants affecting the following counties. In the state of Indiana, Porter, Port, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, Cobb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. State of Ohio, Williams, Hope, Defiant, Henry, Pauley, and Van Wert. And in the state of Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal program.
Oh, sweet, they're doing live voice again.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specifically equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 2:15 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to near McHenry, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly Winthrop Harbor and Muskegon Harbor. The temperature. Marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:45 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to O'Hare Airport, 9 nautical miles northeast of Aurora, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Cribb, Calumet Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, 34th Street Harbor, Montrose, Monmouth Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Guy Eversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor.
Yet another SMW.
Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4:30 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located at Lake Michigan and near Chicago Midway Airport, all moving east to southeast at 25 knots. Hazard. Source. Radar indicates. Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whiting, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, East Chicago, Hobart, Lake Station, Whiting, New Chicago, Jewish, and Burnham. This includes Indiana University Northwest and South Carolina baseball. For your protection, interior room. For your protection, on the lowest floor of the building. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.